नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों। A very good morning to all of you. I am Om Prakash Kesari, Assistant Professor from Department of Mathematics under Department of Science and Technology, which comes under Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I am here with you for enlightening the orientation program of your course. It is well known that the education is not filling a message but lighting a lamp. The education is not filling a message but lighting a lamp. It is more formation than information. It is not only knowing few hours, that is writing, reading and learning. It's enlightening out oneself, identifying oneself, exploring oneself. So, needless to point out that the aim of education is not merely a question of some information. It is the spirit of devotion towards the cause of humanity. Dear students, all of you are welcome to the new academic session 2020-21. I am counting on you to make this a best year at JVW. That means Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. In the various program, and your program is MSc Mathematics. We are here to support you at every step of your life. We are glad to have you baggage to continue your journey towards the betterment of your life. As you start new academic year, then take advantage of many services available to help you to achieve your full potential. Remember that the library and career services are here to help you. I encourage you to get involved to participate in various opportunity initiative hosted by the Student Development Authority of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University inside the campus life. Is supporting you to in center to your mission at Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. We are here to guide you as you will become the best version of yourself. This is this university is the nation's first state private university, and this university got Swachhata Ranking 2019 award also. Now, now I'm going to introduce you the subject which I taught in MSc Mathematics. In MSc Mathematics, I taught you topology. Topology is nothing but the subject of mathematics, which are taught in MSc Mathematics first semester student. Once again, namaste बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों. Before taught any subject, we have some lesson planning. And lesson planning is defined as the planning of the detailed lesson related to the particular unit of a subject to covered by the teacher in a specific school period for the realization of some stipulated instrumental objectives. It is a sort of the theoretical chalking out of the details of the journey which a teacher is going to perform practically in the classroom along with his student. No, that means right now I taught you in digital version as a video form, but in your face-to-face class, I will taught you in whiteboard or blackboard. These are some steps for planning a lesson. That means first one is the preparation of the lesson plan, and then present representation, after that association, and then generalization, and then use the application of that program. That means first of all we prepare some contents which we taught you, and then represent all these things just like I'm representing this PPT. After that we associate all these things in one platform. After that we generalize all these things and see the output of the that things, which are also known as application part of that things. After that we see that there are some components of lesson planning. The first one is the identifying the data, and then add material, and after that instrumental objectives, and then previous knowledge tested. That means in your last class what we have taught, check that you taught betterly or not. And then introduction and announcement of the topic. That means in your present class what we have studied, which the topic will be announced. And then presentation. That means present all these things, and that means in face-to-face class we present all these things in blackboard or whiteboard, but in digital version we present all these things in the form of electronic media. And then recapitulation. That means recap all these things which I have taught today and previously, and then give you some home assignment. No, first of all, topology is the subject of mathematics under the science stream, and this subject is taught in MSc Mathematics first semester student. And the subject is taught now. Before starting all these things, we are going to show you the syllabus of this subject, topology. Now, this is the syllabus of Jyoti Vidya Women's University, Jaipur, for Master of Science, that means MSc in Mathematics. The course is of 2 years, that means 4th semester, and all the syllabus are divided into 4 parts. That means each semester has each subject. In first semester, you have some core mathematics paper and university compulsory paper, and also some optional courses which are specify you later. Now, first one is the topology in core mathematics paper. Second one is complex analysis. Third one is classical mechanics, and then discrete mathematics, in which I taught you especially topology in your first semester. In your second semester, I taught you real analysis. In your third semester, I taught you differential equation. And in your final semester, the only derivation will be there. And the topology course is of 11 credit, out of which 10 credit are for theory and 1 credit are for practical session. And total credit of your course is 46, out of which 41 is for theory and 2 is for practical, and 3 is practical session. That means practice in your classroom. All the abbreviation are given here. C represents the number of credit per course, T represents the number of theory credit per course, P represents the number of practical per course, D and T represents demonstration and tutorial in the lecture hall, PS represents practical session. Now, in topology, I will see the detail of the syllabus of your first semester topology paper. This paper content 3 units. All units are divided into this form. That means in your first chapter, topology 1, we use continuity and related concept, and in your second unit, we use connected space, and your third unit, we use basis and subbasis. All these units are divided into 3.5 credit, but last unit is divided into 3 credit. That means total 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3, 10 credit. And all these are theory. And 1 credit is designed for PS, which I already say you earlier, in which we have 5 practical sessions based on unit 1, 2 and 3. We have practiced some problems here related to real life. Similarly, all the subjects, complex analysis and then classical mechanics and then discrete mathematics. You have a compulsory course, extracurricular activity and common development authority, CD and ECA. Now, moving to the main syllabus of the topic topology. In topology, the first unit contains the continuity and related concept, in which we have taught you continuity and related concept such as product of topology, quotient topology, a brief introduction to the nominal and nominal uncountable well-ordered set, psi, SI, countability axiom, Lindell of space and separable space, connected space, generalization. In your second unit, we taught you connected space, generalization of connected set, compact path component, compact space, local connectedness, local path connectedness, compact space, limit point, compact and sequentially compact space, locally compact space, one point compactification, finite product of compact space, statement of Trasley theorem. And in your last unit, we will see the basis and subbasis, definition of an example of topological space, in which definition example of topological space, basis and subbasis, order relation, destruction order topology, subspace topology, Kuratowski closure axiom, separation axiom, Ursuline lemma, Tizzi extension theorem, statement of Ursuline metrization theorem. And here some textbooks or recommended books are there. The first one is the topology, the first course, which are written by J.R. Munkers, which are very famous books. Next one is the general topology by Cayley, which is also a famous book. Next one is an introduction to general topology, which are written in by K.D. Joshi. And two reference book is general topology, which are here. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope all of you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you for watching this lecture video. Thank you, बच्चों.